Hello?
Hello po.
Hi.
Oh my God, I can't believe. Tumatawag pala talaga kayo. I'm sorry.
akala nyo yung show, joke lang, no?
Hindi, I mean, this is the first time that
Oh.
I've actually, like, tumawag sa mga ganito.
Well, I'm glad that you still like my advice, even though I am not doing this on radio platform. Kasi podcast ko to eh.
No, pero even before when you were in the radio, dun sa ibang radio network, I believe, nakikinig ako sa'yo before
Oh,
when I
thank
was
you. Thank
in
you.
college.
Thank you very much. Thank you for reminding me that I got older.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
What's your name?
Sam.
Say that again.
Sam.
Sam. Arte kasi dyan. Sam
Sorry.
pala. Sam.
Sam, paano ba? Sam?
Arte. Ilan taong ka na, Sam?
I'm 36 po.
36.
Turning 37 this Saturday,
Ay, happy
actually.
birthday. So,
Thank you po.
just for your compliment, for the record, I'll put 36 here.
Ay, salamat.
Okay ba? At saan ka ngayon?
Andito sa Makati.
Oh, Makati City. Okay.
Mm-mm.
And, ayan, okay. Anong ginagawa sa buhay?
I work at night. Actually, nasa work ako ngayon. Nag-break lang ako kasi because of this, ang arte. Tapos, I work 2 jobs actually. This in graveyard and then in the morning, I work as well as a
Okay.
project manager. Mm-mm.
Well, I don't know if I'm guessing right, but pwede manghula
Ano?
na minsan single ang mga humahataw ng ganyan sa work eh.
Oo, single mom niya.
Ito totoo. Kasi kung may sasandalan kayo, hindi nyo magagawin yan eh.
Opo.
Magre-relax kayo, di ba?
Opo, yeah.
Alam kasi ng mga irresponsibleng mga nangiiwan ng mga ewan ko lang kung ito ang kwento. But alam nilang ang nanay ay magtataguyod regardless.
Opo.
Well, I'm sorry. Anyways. So you have a story to tell.
Oh my God. Jack, wag mo akong i-judge.
No.
Pero I really need like a professional insight.
I'm not
'cause
professional. I'm a friend.
Hindi kahit, okay, as a friend, like a stranger to me kasi.
Let's do it from a perspective of a friend. Is that okay?
Okay po.
Okay. All right.
Opo. Kasi, Papa Jack, as you know, as you've guessed, no, I'm a single mother of a 3-year-old boy. Okay, so he's my only son.
Okay.
And then, before, nag-work ako as an assistant manager dito sa company where I'm working right now.
Okay.
And then, hindi ko alam, for some reason, pero yung tatay po nitong anak ko, we're co-parenting. Okay, I'm not gonna badmouth him, pero we're co-parenting naman. And then, he's sending money for diapers and milk.
That's
Yun
good
lang.
for you.
So, so other than that, yun lang yung hinihingi ko sa kanya. So, I don't know po, 3 years I was not having anyone with me. So, I'm busy working and raising my child then po. And then, I don't know, for some reason, I joined the dating app. And feeling ko doon na messed up yung buhay ko.
Ang ganda nung for some reason, of course you know the reason why you joined the dating app. It was one night you got lonely and you told yourself, ano ba meron sa dating app na yan? Makapag-install nga, di ba?
Opo.
Alright. Okay.
So parang, I don't know kung anong pumasok sa isip ko. Like, a friend endorsed, and then naman, parang referred it to me. Na sabi niya, itry mo lang, ganyan, walang mawawala. Pero feeling ko lahat nawala. Hindi, joke. So,
When was that? When was that?
That was way back December po, last year.
2024.
Yes po. Opo.
Nung time na yan, mga almost 3 years ka ng single.
Yes po.
Okay. So parang nabis mo na, parang gusto ko ng kalambingan na. Well, no, it's okay. It's human nature. You don't have to be ashamed of that. Ako lang, mayroon lang akong reservation sa dating app. Pag jojowain nyo bago nyo kitain. Yan lang naman eh.
Opo.
Anyways, I don't know your story, but okay. So you went on dating app. Did you find? Did
Opo.
you meet someone?
Yes po, I met someone.
Okay.
Pero foreigner siya, Papa Jackson.
Mm-hmm.
So, he's an Indian person.
Okay.
And
Living in the
then,
Philippines or
yes po, living in the Philippines for work.
okay?
So, he's been here, nung time na po yun, he's been here for a year. Ganon.
Okay.
So,
He's here for
ano po,
work.
medyo, for work. Yes po. So, tapos po, Papa Jack, okay naman po siyang ka-chat. He's very respectful, ganyan. And then, we've decided to meet ng January. So, December, we've been chatting. And then, January, nag-meet kami.
Okay.
Ganun po yung story.
Who initiated the meeting? Sino ang nagsabing magkita na tayo? Ikaw ba?
Siya po, gano'n. Siya po.
January. Saan nagkita?
Nakita po kami dito sa may Festival Mall. Oh my God, malalaman na taga-South ako.
Alabang.
Opo, yes.
Okay.
I'm from Alabang that time.
Wala namang ibang festival mall.
Opo. So,
Okay.
nag-meet kami doon and then we had coffee and then lunch, ganyan.
Noong time na
po,
nakita kayo, you were just, getting to know each other.
yes.
Walang relasyon, no, nothing.
Ay, wala po, wala. Wala pa po.
But you must like him a little bit, no? To meet up with him.
Opo.
You find
Yes,
you find him attractive.
po. Tapos, Papa Jack, kasi parang before that, diba, December po, we've been chatting. So, we've been exchanging photos din po.
Okay.
And then, yun po, very consistent naman siya to update, ganyan, and everything. And then, when I asked him, December pa lang po, sabi niya sa akin, tinanong ko siya, are you married? Kasi po parang ano ko naman na parang, pag mga Indian, they go into arranged marriage, ganyan.
Okay.
Tapos po, sabi niya, let's talk about it when we meet. So parang alam ko na po na there's something wrong. Ganon. So, parang, naset na yung expectation ko. So when we meet on January po, tinanong ko siya if he's married. And then he said he is indeed married.
Okay.
And then, he
Back
had a son.
back into his country or dito sa Pilipinas?
Hindi po, asa India po.
Sa India.
Mhm.
Okay.
Tapos po, and then sabi niya sa akin, I can't divorce kasi yung son niya po is a special child, an autism, a child with ASD, autism spectrum disorder po. And then sabi niya, if magdi-divorce daw po sila, like it would create problem. Una dun sa business ng mga family nila, and then of course dun sa son, kasi nga po parang autism na, tapos ganun pa magiging broken marriage pa. So parang ganun po. And then sabi niya, but the wife and him are not okay. Yung usual mga married guy, gano'n, na parang So parang sabi ko naman, hindi naman magiging kami like, okay, we're okay to be friends, ganyan. So parang, naman po, parang, na pag walang bahala ko yon.
Mhm.
But then, as time goes by po, I developed some feelings for him and him as well. So, we've decided that we can try to be together February.
Okay.
Ganun.
Knowing that you will be a mistress.
Yes po. Oh my God! And then, nalaman ko po na yung trabaho niya pala, he's a very, hindi naman po siya parang pinakamataas, but he's an executive to a company. So, he's a vice president po in a company. And now, he said, he offered me a job. Okay po. Tapos, sabi niya sa akin, I'm willing to help
Can
you.
you help me out? Anong naging usapan ninyo nung time na yung magiging kayo at may asawa siya? What was the arrangement? I mean, setup?
Parang boyfriend and girlfriend po. Like, we go out together.
Hindi na napag-usapan na you will be a mistress. Hindi na napag-usapan yun.
Parang napag-usapan naman po, pero parang pinagwalang bahala ko lang. Yun talaga yung, oh my God. Hindi ako makapaniwala na nagawa ko. But then, ganun po, yung setup. Like, we meet, and then, we do something, alam niyo na. And then,
Anong
we
month
go
na
out.
yan? Itong kinikwento mo.
Ano na po to, mga March na po to, ganun. March.
Okay.
Running March. Opo. And then, sabi niya po, he would offer me a job. And so, I accepted po. And that's why, dalawa yung job ko ngayon. So, from his company, he got me a job, a position, which is the
Okay.
project manager po. And so, we are working together now. And he gave me parang sobrang laki. Hindi naman po sobra-sobra, pero malaking salary.
Okay.
Higher than an ordinary job. Kahit dito sa job ko na manager na ako, mas malaki pa po doon yung in-offer niya.
So there
And
was
so, kinagat
kung merong,
Yes.
kumbaga, because you're together, there is a preferential treatment.
Mhm.
Hindi
Opo.
na, I mean, it's not bad. It's just, I'm just asking na may preferential treatment.
Opo. Opo.
Okay. Go
Opo.
ahead.
So, tapos Papa Jack, itong day job ko na to, he's not giving me like sobrang hirap na task, ganun. So parang na ano po ako, like, hindi naman ako nagmamalinis, no? Pero, kasi parang I'm receiving the salary, pero hindi ganun kabigat yung trabaho ko, ganun.
Okay.
So he wouldn't give me job kasi alam niya po nagtatrabaho ako sa gabi. Ganito, napupuyat ako and then matatapos ako ng 8 a.m. and then I would have to sleep and then wake up at around 1 p.m. to work for him. Ganun.
Okay.
So hindi niya ako binibigyan ng mga, parang binibigyan niya ako ng special treatment. And that's okay. Hindi naman po ako nagko-complain. I'm actually grateful for him. Tapos, yun po, tatanong, hindi ko alam, Papa Jack. I don't know, like this time, no? So I'm working for him. And then he rented me a condo here in Makati. So he's paying for everything.
Okay.
So parang kaya po ako nasa Makati ngayon. Pero honestly, taga-Alabang talaga ako. But then, nalipat ako dito because he likes to be near me. Ganun. Pero hindi kami pwedeng magsama sa isang condo. Kasi katapat lang siya ng condo na to. Tapos, magkatapat ng yung condo namin.
Ano
Pero
ba?
hindi kami
Are
pwedeng
you
magsama.
are you guys out na magjowa kayo or
Dito sa Philippines po ba? Hindi.
saan kayo out?
Wala. Yun po yung gusto kong itanong.
Why? Anong tanong mo doon?
Am I don't know, Papa Jack, like, if I'm gonna leave him, it would mean, like, to lose everything. And,
You're aware that your question has its own inner monologue, no? You get my point, right? Or hindi? You want me to explain?
sige po.
Okay. When you said you will lose everything, alam mo na ang interpretation niyan ay para bang katumbas ng dignity mo yung pera.
Mm.
That's the inner monologue of your question. Okay, ganito. Halimbawa, he is single and you are not the mistress, and then you happen to ask me that question. Papa Jackson, iiwanan ka ba siya? Why? Enjoy everything that you can have from him. Ba't mo siya iwanan? But the case is, you are the mistress right now. Tama? Are you getting my point?
Mm-mm.
Diba? I guess, no-brainer naman yun eh. Hindi ako naniniwalang hindi mo alam yung sagot sa tanong mo. If there's a better question to be asked, you wanna know what is it?
Mm-mm.
Can you adjust going back to a lifestyle where you do not have the benefits of having him? I think that's the better question.
Mm.
So, sagutin mo.
Oh my God.
And I'm asking you, can you go
Ako
back to a
naman.
lifestyle
Yes naman po.
Or you do not have the benefits of having him. Kasi sobrang adjusted ka eh. At some point, this benefits your kid, no? Tama, mali?
Yes po.
Mm.
And then, I get to, nabayaran namin lahat ng dapat naming bayaran and everything.
Mhm.
Hindi kasi kami mayaman, Papa Jack. Like, we were so poor. And naranasan ko yun, yung as in, yung parang pinapalayas kami sa bahay because we cannot pay the apartment.
Oh, that's so sad.
And then there's a time na parang pinaghahatian namin yung isang noodles because of that. So I'm so scared to go back to that life. Pero without the benefits of having him, I can naman. Pero I don't know, I love him so much. Ngayon na po. Parang this time, kasi di ba last year pa po siya nag-start.
Well, unang-una sa lahat ganito, ano? We are not going to edify with the mistake na ginawa ninyo. I think he cares for you. The fact that he did all that he did for you. I think he cares for you. Tama?
Apo.
Maliwanag naman eh. He's making you benefit from, from the arrangement that you have. But the fact remains, you're a mistress. I think that's a better question. The better question is, Papa Jackson, actually, ang tanong talaga dapat dito, Sam, do I remain being a mistress and enjoy all the benefits na, the financial benefits na meron being a mistress, or do I give this up and have lesser in life? But you are going to have your dignity back intact.
Oh my God, naiyak ako.
Why?
Wala lang.
No.
Kasi parang
Ba't ka naiyak?
inopen ko po yan sa kanya. Like,
Mm.
nag-usap kami na I wanna separate. Kasi parang I agree, yung peace of mind is really something. And then sabi niya, he's okay daw. If I want to separate, he would give me a break. Pero he would still support me and help me ganun as a friend. So,
Well, alam mo, that's a very, very good proposition. Tama?
apo.
Okay. But, tao ka lang. You cannot help but make him benefit from your presence. If you know what I mean.
Yes, opo.
Hindi naman siguro ganun katigas ang apog mo para tumanggap tapos friends lang kayo. Unless ganun ka. Which I do not believe you are. Look, ganito I don't want to judge you. I think you've fallen in love with this guy. I don't think you're there because there's the benefit of having a more comfortable life. I believe na you have deeper reasons than that. I give you that. But I think, again, the fact remains, you are a mistress. And tonight, as you called my show, that's exactly what you're trying to solve. Tama, mali?
Yes, opo.
When do you
Okay.
plan? Why? What?
Okay po, okay.
He's married somewhere. Tama?
Yes, opo.
In India. Tell me about it. Tell me what you know about this marriage.
Ano po kasi, he's been traveling kasi nga po mataas yung position niya sa company, so he's an executive po, no. So
Okay.
they said they were married. He said no, they were married since 2000.
Ilan anak
Pero
nila?
isa lang po. Yun
Isa.
lang po yung And
Ah,
then tapos during those time po, he's been traveling since 2000. So hindi sila masyadong magkasama nung asawa niya.
Do you know how the wife looks like?
Oh my God.
Of course, you
Yes.
stopped. Yeah,
Yes po, I know.
you stopped.
Opo.
I have a question for you. Ready?
Yes po.
Do you believe that you are his first mistress?
Hindi po.
So he was honest to you.
Nakwento naman niya po na ano.
Like, so, ano ba to? Every time that he is in a different place, May mistress siya?
Sabi niya po, dito lang sa Pinas, dito siya sa Philippines, nagkaroon ng isa, girlfriend then gano'n.
So he's really open to you.
Opo, honest naman siya, nagsabi naman po siya.
Well, it's either he doesn't care about how you feel or he's honest to you. I don't know. What did you want to ask me? Ask me a question that would matter.
Real talk na naman. I don't know, I really wanna go. I really wanna separate from him. But first is that I super love him. The way he cares, it's different. Tapos, hindi ko alam. Papa Jack, ang tanga ko talaga. Like, this is the first time na na-involve ako sa married person. I hate people. Before po, I hate people or women who get involved with a married man.
You are not the first person or the first woman na naringgan ko yan.
Pero parang naging ganito din ako. I don't know what happened to me.
Alam mo bang ano? You know what's scary about this? In my experience of giving advice 2 decades na, once you cross that boundary, there's a very high likelihood they'll do it again. I hope it does not happen to you. There's a very high likelihood that you will do it again.
Right now po, after nito, ganun.
Yeah. I hope I'm wrong.
I hope so too.
Yeah. Sabi mo, you wanna move out. Tama? You wanna separate. Tama, mali?
Apo, yes.
What are you waiting for?
Oh my God.
Ano, I'm asking you. Because hindi ako naniniwalang I don't believe na nakasandal sa balikat ko o nakapatong sa balikat ko yung sagot sa tanong mo. Or are you just waiting for someone to tell you and it happened to be me? Is that it? Really?
Kasi po, whenever I ask friends, they would tell me, go lang, ganun. Like, parang hindi ako nagkakaroon ng tamang pag-iisip. Like, wala akong ibang perspective kasi my friends would tell me, go, ganyan, and be happy about it.
Your friends telling you na ano?
Na it's okay daw po, ganyan.
Ako to just continue on. Really? These are your friends? Mga baboy, ibang kaibigan mo. No?
They would tell me, ano ka ba, like, if magiging single ka and then you would look for another boyfriend, hindi ka na magkakaroon ng ganyang, boyfriend ulit. I said,
so mukhang pera din sila. Naililibre mo ba yung mga yan?
Hindi naman po.
Medyo? Are they benefiting from the lifestyle that you're having?
Hindi naman po, hindi.
Walang common sense yung ibang friends mo, no? Why would they tell you that? Bakit? Ba't nila gagawin yun?
Hindi ko po alam.
Anyways, you don't need them to tell you what you need to do. Alam mo, chill lang ako sa'yo. Alam mo kung bakit?
Bakit po?
The very fact that you're asking these questions, ibig sabihin, you've thought of it. Tama, mali?
Opo, I've thought about it so many times. Actually, we're having problems po since October.
At naghahanap ka lang ng nang magpupush sa'yo over the edge to go to the other side of this argument. And your call tonight is just symbolic. You don't need my
Opo, kasi
advice.
alam mo ba, Papa Jack, like, this is the first time that parang napadaan ka lang sa feed ko and then I remember you from college. And then sabi ko, what if tumawag ako kasi I really need someone to talk to. Like, napanood ko kasing interview mo din kay Tony. And sabi ko, I just need a different
A
perspective.
lot of people hated me for that interview. A lot of people natuwa.
No.
No.
Bakit?
Hold on. Those people who watch a portion.
Ah.
Yeah. Kasi nung na-upload na yan sa Blue App, kasi sa YT yan, di ba?
Apa yan?
Nung na-upload na yan sa Blue App, sa FB, na-splice na eh. May nag-content nga sa akin eh. Taga dito sa TikTok. Content creator din, no? Tapos binura niya. Binura niya. React kasi ng react eh. Hindi nag ano eh. Well, anyways, I think you are halfway out.
I am.
Yeah.
Actually, kanina lang po nag-usap kami about it. And yun nga po, I said, I really want to end this. So, I'm just waiting for the lease nitong bahay po. So, I mean, itong condo.
You are just waiting for the what?
For my paid lease. Rent po. Paid rent po.
Bakit ano meron doon?
Kasi sa 30th pa po siya mag-end by the end of the month. So,
para at least magamit
ayun.
naman.
Po, yan.
Are you going to give up the job in case?
Actually, ayaw po niya. Yun pa nga, Papa Jack, kasi niisip ko po, if okay hiwalay kami, he would still want me to work for him. Ganun po.
Huwag ka na makapag-iwalay kung doon ka pa rin mag-work.
Yun nga po, yung sinabi ko. Kasi sabi ko, I cannot work for you anymore because if I do, I would see you every time. Though naka-work from home po kami most of the time, but then sometimes we have to see each other, syempre po, because of admin.
Yeah, you still belong, because you still belong to the same ecosystem.
Opo, yan.
Diba?
Sabi ko, parang hindi ko kaya na maghihiwalay tayo. And then, I would act as your friend, say hi to you, discuss with you the meeting, what's the meeting all about. Yung mga ganun po. So, sabi niya, bakit ka mag-quit? I can transfer you to a different department. Ganyan siya. And then,
alam mo, iba nagagawa ng iba nagagawa ng yaman. So apparently, tignan mo, if we listen closely to what you just said, apparently, he's got this invisible strings that he controls your possible decisions in life. Di mo nare-realize na? Well, I believe that you're halfway out. I believe you called my show symbolically because you just wanted to tell you that what you're going to do makes sense. Yes, I believe you. Sam, separating from him makes sense. It really does make sense.
Sabay na. Okay po.
Yeah. It does make sense.
Okay po.
You okay?
Yes po, I'm okay, yes.
Yeah. I'm rooting for you.
Thank you po.
You don't need my
And really
advice.
thank you for accommodating me.
You're just here to validate that something you're going to do is something that makes sense. And yeah, it does make sense. But before I let you go tonight, I wanna tell you something. Can I?
Yes po.
I said this I think 10 days ago. I'll tell you. Naniniwala ako Sam, na mahirap gamutin ng sipon kung lumulobo na yung ilong mo. Hindi ka naniniwala sinisipon ka. In the same manner that I believe that you do not realize what loneliness can do to you until it brought you to where you're at right now. When you subscribe to that dating app, you were trying to masquerade something. I don't know, maybe you were sad. Maybe you were you were longing for someone. You were looking for some attention, and You found the wrong company. No, I hope that you work on that, no? Yung loneliness na yan.
Hmm.
Because
I'll try.
at the end of this, itong lahat ng nangyaring ito, you go back to being lonely. So what's the point of, pinusto mo yung dignity mo? I know that kahit pa naging masaya ka naman. So, one for the books. Okay na yan. Pwede mo nang kalimutan. Diba? Tama?
Yes.
Well, make your son proud of you.
Okay po.
Thank you.
Thank you po. Thank you so much.
Thank you.